how to fix no sound on your Facebook videos. So if you're trying to watch a Facebook video or a Facebook reel and you can't hear any sound or audio, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now the first step is just to go and open up the settings on your phone, scroll down to General and click on this, click on iPhone Storage, and then scroll down until you see the Facebook application and click on this. Click on Offload App and press Offload. Now, once you've done that, you can go and open up the Facebook application and you'll need to wait a couple of seconds while this re-downloads to your device. Now, once you're on Facebook, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, scroll down to the bottom and click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and then underneath Preferences, select Media, scroll down to Play All Sounds in App and make sure this is turned on and enabled. Also make sure Reels Start with Sound On is turned on. And once you've done that, you can then close out of this window and you can check to see if your sound is now working. Now you also need to ensure that the volume is turned up on your device, so you can try playing another video in another application to make sure your sound's just not muted in general. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.